Finally, after holding an anxious 250F crowd at bay in 2006, Suzuki has caught up to the times with its all-new 07 RM-Z. The aluminum frame was adapted from the successful RM-Z 450. Combined with a redesigned motor and a super quiet exhaust, this is part of the new equation. This Showa suspension package was easily the most forgiving and plush combination of our test. Riders found the bump absorption, soft seat, and comfortable layout right in the mix with other Japanese offerings. Suzuki wants to orchestrate a return to dominance in the lights class, and the all-new RM-Z is headed in the right direction.